Hi, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is a quick demonstration of the automatic window roll up which we fit to the Transit Custom. Well, any van really, but you know, I mostly work on customs and Fords. So the Ford electric windows do not roll up when you lock the van, but we make them do that. So on second click, so first click you can lock the van, leave the windows open if you want to vent it for a hot day, but if you want to close the windows, just simply do the double lock in, which is 2 clicks. 1, 2, second click, you'll get both windows roll up, and these are controlled by a a thermal fuse, so they will wind up if they sense any load. They will also stop. So if you've got a dog sat in the driver's seat and you go to the shops and then you lock the van and your dog sticks his head out the window, I'm hoping it'll shut. So here's my arm going in. There you go. So that's stopped. There you go. Oop. It didn't roll back like but yeah, that was my dog's head simulation. So it just stops the window on load. So it monitors that the current of the motors they draw when they go up, and then when it sees the currents and the increase as it meets resistance, then it just trips a thermal fuse. So do that again. Ignition on, just wind the windows down. So it's not gonna, if you walk away and lock the van, it's not gonna decapitate a child or whatever. So we'll have a thermal cutout if it does sense any load. So I'll just hold that back. There you go, just cuts out. Other one carries on. Thanks for watching. That's Vehicle Fit, based in the West Midlands. 07900 60 50 40.